King kayang kalimang State of the City Address o SOCA, may rapat king sangguniang panglungsod Legislative Building anyang Lunes, June 24, binida ng Angeles City Mayor Pogi Lazatin Jr. din kayang making accomplishment kilabning 5 banwang pamanungkulan king may sabing syudad. Kaya benakene ring 27 galal at tinggap na ning kayang administrasyon ating pamagkilala ning Oxford Economist king Angeles City at imong metong kareng peka maragula urban economy king yato.
The latest feather in our cap is the citation from Oxford Economic Global Cities Index of 2024, where Angeles City was recognized as the 502nd out of 1,000 cities worldwide, with the largest urban economies. Out of 9 cities from the Philippines, Angeles City ranked 5th, behind the city of Manila, Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, and Davao.
Aparte ka rin ni Menikwaya namang Seal of Good Local Governance, subaybayani, gawad kalasag at gawad makabata ing syudad. National finalist yan naman king Galing Pook Foundation, ing walang plastikan, plastic palit bigas project na ning Angeles City LGU. Agpangkang Lazatin, may nagumpela ring miyaliwang programa ning lokal na kapanibalan, pauli da rin kayabe ng empleyado king munisipyo agugusal para ka ring Anghelenyo. Pesalamatan nala namang Lazatin ding miyembro ng Angeles City Council king pamanimuna ng Vice Mayor Vicky Vega Kabigting.
With a great pride and optimism, I can state that with the help of all of the department heads, chiefs of offices, all my fellow government employees, we have kept the firebrand leadership of Lazatin burning.
Mimyaya namang update ng alkalde dikil kareng ongoing project na ning city government. Metong nekeni ing 7-story building at Rafael Lazatin Memorial Medical Center o RLMMC at suna kanuking 70% ing completion rate. Makasadyaya kanong mamuklat king darata nga Oktubre ing level 2 ning RLMMC bang mas apag serbisyon ding ang Angelenyos. Sinabi na namang Lazatin amika siyang pang healthcare units amayari na kanu king Nobyembre ning kasalungsungang banwa. Mayakid la kanureni king barangay Pulong Bulu, Pulong Maragul, Kutod, Anunas, Kapaya, Amsik, Malabanyas at Balibago.
With a population of 450,000, Angeles City must have 15 primary healthcare units. Once completed, Angeles City will have the ideal number of primary healthcare units based on population.
Kaya be naman karing aliwapang infrastructure project asang mayari kanukin banwang 2024 to 2025 ding state-of-the-art computer laboratory sa mitalakad karing 5 public schools. Makaulagala kanu rening 715 million pesos. Mag-install lamo naman kanong karagdagang CCTV cameras karing major roads na ning syudad. Pangaras king health sector, target na kanuning kayang administrasyon ning zero malnutrition ngening banwa. Binanggit nala namang Mayor Pogi ring balaw sa programa kalupan na ning pamamiyag vitamins at panuro karing senior citizens, libreng pop smear, tuli at aliwapa. Seryoso yan naman kanuing Lazatin administration king kayang programa kontra droga, inyapin balaw sing gagawang surprise drug testing karing empleyado, barangay workers, PUV at tricycle drivers. Mida kaya naman kanong 37 million pesos sa pondo ing syudad para karing bayong plantilla positions, balaos la naman kanong mamia cash assistance karing senior citizens, PWDs, solo parents, transport, LGBTQ at aliwapa. Nga na pang Lazatin, kaya be karing tutukan na ning LGU ing pamag-address king climate change. Kaugne na nini, balaos kano ing pamananamdang tanaman karing watershed nung nukarin miras na laking 79,000 ang yalawang seedlings ding mitanam. Dinina na namang digdig Lazatin ing pamagpatupad king segregation at source nakwas na malapit niya kanang makompleto ing 68 million peso a waste transfer station ing syudad. Susubong na naman ni LGU ing pamag-shift king renewable energy kapamilatan na ning pamag-install solar panels karing city government offices. Pepasyag na namang Lazatin ing pamamiyang 45 square meters ning gabon at cash assistance karing balang pamilyang Milako Bale king Sitio Balubad Anunas. Minuna na ng inanunsyo ng City Government ng Angeles, akin lang magalang ma-relocate ng affected residents dapat sila lang sang lareni. King katataw niyan, kinumpirma ng Lazatin ing kayang tutuking plano king kayang karera king politika at karing mitataga na aldoning pamagsilbi ang timong mayor ng Angeles City kanutok nang ban mas maging progresibo ya ing syudad.
In my remaining days as your city mayor, I shall dedicate myself into ensuring that we can pass the torch of leadership, more progressive Angeles City compared to when we first began our watch. Even when I am no longer your city mayor and become a lawmaker. Dakal at dakal pong salamat kaya kayungan. Luwid kayungan po, luwid jeng pakamalan tamong syudad ning Angeles.
Ako yung kaya kayong talasuyi, Jennifer Salenga, ating pusong makabalan.